वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समाप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्याद ये तवे तापत्रविनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं मातपितृचरणकमलभ्यो नमः। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु परमानन्दं नमो नमः। परमादरणीय आप सभी मेरे भक्तजन, सभी भगवान के भक्तगण, we all are here to listen something about the religious thing, and first of all I would like to say I salute you all for being here, and really I am grateful to you all if you people are listening me and if you people are hearing me. कलयुग है भैया, कौन किसे सुनने को तैयार है। इन द होली बुक श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण, Sri Dev Rishi Narad is saying, Sri Dev Rishi Narad is saying to Sankadik Rishi, Sanak Sanandan Sanatan, Satya Dayadan na vidyate. No one is pure here. कोई अब सत्य के रास्ते पर चल रहा। No one belongs to the world. इस संसार में कोई किसी का नहीं। Every people are moving here and there to fulfill his requirement, and basically you people can say that definitely it is necessary to do something to get food, so work is also necessary. So if people are moving here and there in search of food, in search of job, definitely that should be done, because if we people not do such type of things, from where we will get the food. So it is also very essential for us to survive on this earth. But the fact is that, but the question arises here is that at least we people should give our some part of our precious time for such type of activity, if we are doing so, definitely directly or indirectly we people are doing something to know about the God, know about the. So basically there are many people who are saying that please make a video in Hindi. Definitely, so from next time I will take care of that, and definitely I will do something special for you in the Navaratri, and I will try to make the video in Hindi, because of certain reasons in this day I am just uploading English video, because you people already aware from the thing that why I uploaded the video in English. There are many people so understands like that dharma, शास्त्र, ग्रंथ, कोई भी प्रवचन, if any orator is doing something from the Vyaspeeth, if he is speaking something from the Vyaspeeth, so there are many people, if they are literate, if they are educated, if they are highly educated, if they are living in the high-fi society, so basically such type of people used to understand like that, no, yeah, he is basically the Baba, and it is basically the different thing for me, I can't do such type of things. Such type of thing is basically made for the Brahman. Such type of things is basically made for the Pandit, like who is speaking something from the Vyaspeeth. Pandit, it is possible for a sant who is wearing the orange cloths. So just people starts thinking like that. That's why I used to say that. Yeah, you know what is the meaning of sant? Sometime when I feel I have a time, definitely I will make a special video on the particular thing. What is the meaning of sant? You can't decide that who is sant. If a person who is wearing a orange clothes, you can't say that he is sant. Because in the holy book Ramayana, Baba Goswami Tulsidas states that मोहे कपट छल छिद्र ना भावा निर्मल मन जन सो मोहे पावा निर्मल मन जन सो मोहे पावा मोहे कपट छल छिद्र न भावा. In the other words, Baba Goswami is saying, जाके हृदय छल दंबन माया, जाके हृदय छल दंबन माया, ताके हृदय बसय रघुराया. श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम. Try to understand, my brother and sister, and you all who are hearing me. Try to understand. It is very simple. Baba Goswami is saying that you can't decide the frontier is either sant or not from his clothes. Uske kapre se we can't decide that the personality is either good or bad. बिनु गुण प्रतीति प्रीति नहीं होई. You can judge the people only and only through his activity, through his property, through his character, through his activity. Let us suppose if a person who is wearing the white cloth and there is a symbol of plus here, and if he put it some ala on in his neck, and finally you people can say that he is a doctor. If a personality who is wearing the orange cloths and saying something from his Vyaspeeth, after looking that, just we people can say he is Brahman, he is Pandit, he is Sant. Means on the basis of whatever they are doing, we people can say what the frontier is. बिनु गुण प्रतीति प्रीति नहीं होई. If you people are looking at a person who is serving the nation, who is serving the people residing on the road, after looking that, we people can easily say he is the social worker. So before saying anything, first we people try to see. हम देखते हैं उसको कि वो क्या है, and after that we say, हम कहते हैं कि the frontier is this, frontier is that. How can we decide? From his activity, not from his cloth. So भगवान कह रहे हैं यहाँ पे, मोहे कपट छल छिद्र न भाव, निर्मल मन जन सो मोहे पावा, सो मोहे पावा. So the motive of this video was to aware you all about the Purushottam Mass, and we people are very lucky to have an opportunity like this to organize something in the very prestigious month पुरुषोत्तम महीना. इस पुरुषोत्तम मास में we people are doing something religious, so definitely it is the golden opportunity for we all. And so finally I decided that on which topic I will say. So definitely one thing that I would like to say, you can't judge the people from his cloth, from his cloth. Try to understand, उसके गुण से हम उसके विषय में जान सकते हैं, उसकी प्रॉपर्टी से, उसके कैरेक्टर से हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं व्हाट द फ्रंटियर इज. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? समझना पड़ता है. इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड द पीपल. Yeah, definitely it is very easy to say something, but when we people starts implementing all those things in ourselves, that becomes difficult for we all. Now tell me what you will do at that time. ये जिंदगी है साहब, चलते रहो, सीखते रहो. As far I remember, my mother always says one thing that always I will say, all those things that I am speaking from you is only and only my experience. Everything that I learned from my life, that's I am explaining. मुझे बहुत इधर उधर की बातों से मतलब नहीं रहता. ऑलवेज आई ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि जो मेरे साथ बीता, एवरीथिंग दैट ऑलरेडी आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट दैट, सो आई यूज टू explain only that thing. Yeah, really from bottom of my heart I am speaking. ये जिंदगी है, सीखना पड़ेगा. As far I remember, I was in the first year of my engineering, and I have been hearing this from my mother for the several years, from my childhood. My mother always says one thing, बेटा जीवन जीवी संगत ना. In this stage of my life, finally I am understanding the meaning of this thing that my mother already said before 4 or 5 years ago to me. जीवन जीवी संगत ना. One day will come when you will feel that no one is with you. और आध्यात्मिक दृष्टि से भी अगर देखें, so we people can say क्या लेकर आए हैं और क्या लेकर जाएंगे. और सच ये है, the first thing that we can't take anything along with us. हम अपने साथ कुछ नहीं ले जा सकते एक्सेप्ट आवर रिलीजियस थिंग. जो धार्मिक चीजें हम अपने जीवन में कर लेते हैं वही हमारे साथ जाते हैं. देयर आर मैनी सन्स, देयर वर मैनी सन्स, फाइनली दे आर नॉट विथ अस, बट देयर वॉइसेस आर अवेलेबल हियर. वी कैन मोटिवेट आवरसेल्फ आफ्टर लिसनिंग द वॉइस ऑफ Mahatmas, Sant Mahatmas, who are not with us. ये जिंदगी है साहब. So finally I learned that in these days I am when I am feeling that लाइफ की जंग जो होती है ना साहब, वो अकेले लड़नी पड़ती है। और जब लड़ रहा हूँ तब सोचता हूँ कि बड़ी बड़ी ग्रंथ जो कहती है, वो मेरी माँ ने कैसे चुटकी बजाकर बचपन में कह दिया, जीवन जीवी संगत